Okay, good morning, SQA number 11. We're going to do a question by willz217 today. He asks for a simple script where you touch a brick and you get a Game Pass purchase prompt. So this should be pretty simple. What we're going to use is the prompt purchase function, and we're going to use the prompt purchase. There's one more, that prompt purchase finish. There it is. Do you believe that's prompt purchase finish documented? All right, so this should be pretty easy. Let's go to the workspace, add an apart. Going to name this touch part. Doesn't matter. Add a script. Here we go. So local part equals script.parent part.touch connect function. We need to get the thing that hit it. If that thing is a child of a character, and if we spell function correctly, gain players from character. Let's see. Oops. Good morning. And I believe we just used the marketplace service for this, so we're going to tag the marketplace service because we're going to use it twice. Marketplace is one word, right? Awesome. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to supply the player and the ID of the thing. Local pass ID equals, this will be your Game Pass ID. That's going to be specific for you. You got to change that. Player pass ID. Super duper, super simple. Awesome. And now that prompts a purchase. When the purchase is actually completed, then we need to register something. So this is just copy pasted straight from the wiki. Essentially, we're going to replace asset ID with our pass ID variable, and is purchases. That's just going to be constant. Pass ID if it's purchased. So basically, here's where you would do your thing. Here's where you would not do your thing. I don't know what is purchased means. What, like, if the transaction fails, I don't understand when a whether a purchase is denied or accepted. So I guess that must be on their end. Alright, so what you're really going to do is right here on this line 14, you're going to put all your crazy code that's going to like give them a tool or something. So if you got like a if is purchased, then we're going to say like local tool equals game replicated storage dot tool clone tool dot parent equals player dot backpack. That's pretty simple. Or if we want to give them more health, we'd say player.character.humanoid.max health equals 150. And I'm not sure if you can set the health and the max health side by side, because I think it would. I'm not really sure how that works. So we just go back in. What I was talking about is like max health equals 150, 150. I'm not sure if that would set the health. Because if you try to change the health above the max health, it freaks out. I think that's the extent of it. This is super, super lightweight, and we can check it here. It won't prompt us anything. Actually, I forgot. I don't really have a Game Pass we can test, but we can test the touch. If player, then print prompting. It'll probably just say there's no Game Pass with that ID. Check it out. Players is not a valid member of data model. Ooh. Where? Yeah, right here. Check it. Spelling error. Awesome. Check it. Yeah. Alright. Player didn't buy an item because they physically can't. That's awesome. So I'm going to post this code to Pastebin, and then we're going to see, this is number 11, geez. For who? willz217. We'll call this purchase willz217. I rather like doing it this way as opposed to just replying to the thread, because it gives people some insight that they wouldn't get otherwise, and it's definitely more comfortable. Yeah, all right. I'll post the Pastebin code in the links to the in the video description, and then we'll post that on your thread. Good to go.